Right, so today we're just going to demonstrate our Turbo Devil wall cleaner. It has, you can see it's got two nozzles underneath, and it's ideal for cleaning walls and removing graffiti and things like that. It's really handy to use. It's got the little side handle that you can hold on to while you're pressure washing. So we'll just show you how this works. Right, we have these in stock now and they're ready to go. They come with the two nozzles and an M22 fit as standard. So yeah, you can get these today off our website online. Just visit www.gspen.co.uk.